arms in a tree. Draw a heart around you and me. All the birds wanna sing.
Hello! We made it to Siargao! Ngayon lang ako humawak ng camera ulit. Let's do a house tour. Baby, look! Uy, nakakamera ko.
Hello!
I'm a vlogger.
Kaya mo bitbitin yan? Gano'ng katagal mo kayang bitbitin yan?
Baka nakalimutan niyo, vlogger po ako. When you enter, you're gonna see this. Kitchen, living room, dining area. It's a 3-bedroom Airbnb. So we get a pool, room 1, room 2, this lounge area, and this is maybe a nice room. It's not so big, but it's just right. Everything you need is here. If kuwari 6 couples kayo or 12 people sa isang barkada, dalawa yung villa na to. But we're just 6 sa trip na to. So, perfect na lang sa amin yung villa. Ang ganda! Super ganda! I'm so happy to be back. Ito pala yung room namin, guys. Bar. Ganda yung room bar. Ayan. May mirror lang dito. May walk-in area. Perfect. Sobrang dami kong gamit. Okay. So now, hindi ko man lang nilak yung luggage ko. By the way, this luggage is called the crash baggage. Crash baggage ba tawag nila? Yeah, crash baggage yung brand. I like it. I mean, I still love my Rimowas, but I think it looks different. It's very easy to catch. Pero madumihin siya, but okay lang kasi it's part of the vibe na sira-sira siya. I got this from PH Sneaker Exchange. So yan. Okay natin ang ating bagahe. Oops. Sakit ng legs ko. Nag-interval run kami kahapon. So, speed training. Ang sakit ng katawan. I'm so happy to be back at vlogging. And ngayon pa lang nagsusorry ako if the editing of this vlog is not as it used to look. Sobrang takot ako mag-upload na ako yung nag-i-edit kasi sabi ko, shit, baka sobrang pangit. But I realized that the heart of my vlog will always be my connection to you guys. So kahit sobrang simple lang ng editing, it will always still be me. I am naman to content. Tinanong ko kayo habang nagla-live ako yan sa broadcast channel if okay lang ba na sa inyo na ako na yung mag-edit para lang may ma-upload na tayo. And you guys said yes. So, ang dami niyang laman. So, na-appreciate ko siya kasi naka-zipper here. My makeup. My skincare. Dami ko. Si Miggy ay naka-isang backpack lang ha. Not kidding. As in, isang backpack lang. No more, no less. Running shoes and my slippers. 1 month yarn. Ang daming baon ni sis. I have my bag. Unpacking cubes helps a lot talaga. So, for example, these are all my training stuff for swimming, running, and then my everyday clothes, my dresses, ano to? Mga pantulog ko ata to. Ano mga ito? Ay, hindi. Bikinis yan. I think ito yung sleepwear, underwear. Yes, yes! Dito sa loob! Ano plano? Bihes, tapos kain? Gusto nyo, sa Katangnan Bridge na lang tayo. Ay, ginawa ng walk-in closet! Oh, ano.
Grabe, parang 1 month ka dito ah.
Oo,
bahay dito ah.
Sinajudge nila yung ano ko. Oh, pang! May setup na yan. So, ano ang gagawin natin? Let's eat!
Hindi, sa Thursday nga. Kaya pala.
Okay, so bumalik lang kami dito kasi pag-prepare kami for training. So we're gonna go to Secret Beach because we have to swim and then run after. May iwan si Mishi dito kasi may therapy siya ng alas 5. 5 o'clock ba, Pao? Hashtag therapize. Sleep better, take care of your mental health. Tara na daw. Okay. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Love you, Michelle.
Why's my hair like this? Why's my hair like this, bro?
Hindi ka matatakot dito mag-isa?
No, tatakbo na ako eh.
Takbo ka na. Okay, bye!
Parang ang tanda ko na hindi ko na kaya. Grabe yun. Wala LC, wala.
Clear nights when all the haze gets washed away. Smooth flights to Cabernet's Marvel escape. From the back to the front, from the ground, going up and I feel something. Like the sky, hold the light, let it shine till my heart starts to say something.
Okay, we're done with today's island tour. Grabe, ang dami ng tao, ang saya. Tourism is so back, which is so good for our local destinations. So yun yung sabi ko talaga this year. Gusto ko makapunta ulit sa madaming destinations here in the Philippines. Okay, we are running for... Ay, bago, huwag mo ko habol. Let's say 30 minutes to 45 minutes, really depends sa araw. Kasi ayoko abutan ng dilim, but we're running zone 2 today. Hi, Dogo! So, zone 2 is a conversational phase, so dapat I'll be able to talk to you guys really slow, but now I'm going too fast, so I have to slow down. Yum!
Talong. Ate, padagdag tao. Tapos, okay na yan.
Good morning! Ilagay ko na sa labas yung camera para hindi na mag-moist. Okay, I'm done getting ready. Hindi talaga flattering yung ilaw dito. Wala kaming plan today. Supposedly may training kami ng swimming training na umaga, pero low tide, 6 a.m. So hindi rin kaya. Nabili ko pala ito sa TikTok shop. Ang ganda niya for travel. Ang daming space. Reaction po yun sa pancit canton.
Sobrang sarap!
Kasi parang OE yung sound.
Ito pag may garden.
Ano to? Boiled
Soft
egg?
boil.
Oo.
Banana. Ano to?
Banana.
Banana. And then, pancit canton. Good morning. We're gonna go up north today. We rented a car. Magkano nga car? Mahal na eh. Pag jeepney, 6K. Yun pa. Tapos pag 5-door, jeepney, 7K.
Dati 5 lang.
Oo, dati 5 lang. Anong pinagagawa mo?
Sabi lang ng TikTok.
Ay! Oh! Muntik pa nga.
pa lang.
North Dirty Kitchen. Kakain lang, may hike pa. Para worth it daw yung kakainin. Uy, para pagod na ako. Wait lang. Ang tuhod ko. Okay.
Ay, salbahe mag-picture. Lele, sobrang yala ko.
Drashir, ganito ka magtakbo. Sa likod yung camera. Kaya nandito. Uy.
We,
Close nga.
we. Paano natulab?
Rolyo. Rolyo kita pababa, Andy. Alright, we're done with brunch. It was so good. Di ko napakita yung pancake. But the pancake was really, really good. Malaki yung serving nila. Like, one sandwich, pwedeng share na yung 2 tao. We are 6 people. Our bill was 2.7. So, not bad kasi lahat kami may drinks. Tapos, 3 sa amin, double drink pa. And yeah, the view is really, really nice. There's a bit of walking. Kaya naman. Konting hinga lang. But yeah, we're going down. Time. Napilit ko si Mishi.
Hindi mo napilit. Ako nga nag-aya eh.
Ay.
Napilit mo. Ako nga nag-aya mag-swim.
Oo nga pala. I mean, like, kanina pa kasi kita tinawag.
Across the sleepy winter and the shivers get me out of here. I heard singing, must be dreaming, way I'm feeling. How could this be real? It's like you came into my life.
Shit, nakakaliwayag.
Kasalanan ko pa nga.
Ay. Legit, ito yung ano. Binigay mo na yung best mo, pero di pa enough yung best mo. We were supposed to do 12 400s. Zone 3. Sobrang init. I feel like this is my first time running ng ganito katutok yung araw. Although it's pretty early. It's, what time is it? We started mga 6:30. We do this run in arena. Medyo madilim pa. Here, sun is out. And I guess no shade at all talaga yung track. But this is a good heat training, especially if you are joining races na ganito yung temperature. Kasi you have to train according to like the situation and the circumstances of the actual race. Hindi ko naman gagawin yun. Hindi ko na naman ito ginagawa. But anyway, Adi is finishing it. Me and Colleen stopped at 6. Some days really feels like this. Yung binigay mo na lahat pero di talaga enough. But that doesn't define you as a whole. It's more of you today. Alright. Gusto ko. Ice bath? Ice bath? Bilisan mo na!
Bago pa ako bibilisan.
Bilisan mo.
100 meters.
Huwag ka na mag-cool down, ha? Coach, sorry. Ako muna today. Ay, grabe talaga. Ay, grabe. Ay, practice sa impairs. Pure gold tayo?
Yeah.
Lalaklakin ko lahat ng tubig na makita ko. Okay na.
Gago, grabe yung pawis ko.
You did not open the aircon! Bili tayo ng tubig. Nakita niyo ba yung tubig? Yan yung sasalba sa akin today. Maraming salamat. Ito yung pinakamasarap na tubig na tignan ko sa buong buhay ko.
Ilan tayo?
Ang alat siya masarap.
Yung jeepney, iniwan natin lahat bukas yung pinto sa likod.
Tapos may
Uy,
pusa.
sinara ako!
Tapos may
Bukas.
pusa
Sinara ako legit!
Bukas.
As in, sobrang bukas sis. Tapos may pusa lumabas.
Imposible talaga, sinara ako, promise.
Eh, ba't bukas?
Baka yung sa inyo.
Oo!
Hindi yan sa amin.
Akala ko kasi meron pa kayong kunin eh. Kasi may gamit pa sa loob. Hindi ko sinara. Uy, nga no? Uy,
Muntik pa sa'yo tumapon. Oo, talagis.
Dumikit kasi.
ay, feeling strong kasi.
Gagab, dumikit kasi
Tatapon
dito.
ko sa kanya.
Tapos, pag lumas ko,
Laputik.
bukas, may pusang lumabas.
Pusa lumabas dun sa kotse.
At least may bahay siya, alas na eh. Ng tulog niya. Talagang in-overthink niya na paano siya lalabas today.
Di ba, Colleen? Huwag lang gaganyan yung crossover na kayo.
Napakainit. Grabe, tignan niyo yung shoulders ko. Yun talaga yung pinakaunang masusunog. But anyway, today, nag-arrive si Miko tsaka si Pam. So I think they're waiting for us here. Nahanap lang namin to along Coconut Road. And maraming mga may access to the beach. Sobrang fine ng sand. First time ko dito. Sobrang fine ng sand niya. Medyo mainit lang talaga yung tubig. Mga oras na ba? Mga 4. Still kasi yung water eh. Malayo siya sa shore. But, yeah. We rented a car para hindi sunog sa motor papuntang north. Dito kami last time nagpicture, hindi ko ata napakita sa inyo, but this is what they call yung Little Hawaii. You have to be careful lang when taking a photo kasi it's like a blind curve. Ayan, may mga dumarating na motor. So be careful lang. Guys, sobrang sunog ko na. Ang sakit na ng mukha ko. So sabi ko sa kanila, ayun yan. Alam nyo, ang aking kasalanan ay nakakalimutang mag-reapply on time. Guys, ang dami namin order, 3,700 lang, as in 8 kami.
Carve our names in a tree. Draw a heart around you and me. All the birds wanna sing. It's the simple things.
Bumalik kami ng Guyam para sa burger at sa mango shake. Sarap yung coffee nila, mango coffee, pero maasim daw yung mangga. So we're trying this.
When I look into your eyes, oh, our love is just like the simple things in life.
Mga anak kayo ni Henry.